Hi guys, it's One Pinoy Chick Chats. Welcome to my channel. Herding time again. It's so windy here at the moment, guys, because after one storm that came yesterday, there's another storm coming, and I don't know where it will like hit. But here in the farm, it's so windy, guys, like super strong winds. There's a video of an Aussie farming in the Philippines, my husband, where he showed that like our neighbors here have like super white soil in their farms, and just top up with some dead leaves kind of thing. So maybe this before is an ocean. Really, guys, ocean or a sea, whatever. And let me show you what I am trying to, like, what amazed me, guys, from yesterday's farm tour. Stay tuned. And guys, if you can remember, also from William's videos, when we are filling this portion here, from here to the front area of the farm, the soil we got from the quarry, which we used to fill in this area when we reclaimed, the soil has heaps of seashells, like really big shells, where like those seashells that are usually homes of pearls. We got that, guys, and we still have plenty of them in the garden. We kept them, like most of them we kept. The biggest ones, William just pressure wash it so it would look white-ish again. So like, I'm gonna show you later. Oh my gosh, guys, I can hear my baby down there. The other goats are there. Baby! Oh, I'm scared to go in that area. So many snakes. Stay tuned, guys. Smart girl. Very smart girl. It's back with the mama. Back with the mama. Crazy girl. This is the thing, guys. Like, sometimes when the mama is grazing, the mama just leave them on the side, or they will play, and then they sleep somewhere. They sleep. They are just like able to sleep anywhere and forget about the world. And the mama also just forgets about the kids. So like, it's kind of difficult, guys. They forget each other. I'm just glad they're back into each other's arms. So yesterday, guys, Manong Fredo, I Papa brush cut all this area here where William cannot mower. Can't work with his ride-on mower and push mower. Oops. So it's good, always good, guys. That's why we all give him bonus again. And on Tuesday, my papa hired young boys. I mean, those boys that are not in school at the moment because of pandemic, because public schools here don't really like have a proper class. Well, there's no proper at this time, right, in the Philippines. So let me show you what I seen here, guys. Like, there, that's the boundary of my farm. This brownish area is my farm. It's the boundary. And look at the creek here. It's full of seashells, clams, oysters, mussels. Oh, so like, I'm wondering, see that mussels? Nobody eats mussels here. Or like, is it mussel, guys? This type of thing? It's like a brown mussel. brown. Look, look guys. Looks like it's alive. Clams. Oh, I don't know what I thought. Yesterday there were fish. There are fish. There's a fish. I still cannot figure how to say. Look at that. So many unopened clams. So maybe that's why they fish so much here before. And look at that, like pointy type of thing. See that, guys? This. Right. So like makes me wonder. I'm kind of like 15 kilometers away from the ocean, and I have these seafoods. What is it? Creek foods here, guys. So it's not just fish, but like maybe one day I should try opening up this one. And look. I think it's alive. Oh, so like how did it live during, you know, if when the color of the creek is like brownish? Like really, guys, makes me wonder. And if there's like if it's highly polluted with all those chemicals from the banana farms up in the hill, or you know, like going down the hill, how did this survive? See more, guys. Look at this. These are being sold in the market. Oh. See that fish? How will I wait, guys, I'll move. So I cannot see so much with the sun. Look at my shadow there. And my eyes are not good anymore. Oh, softish. The soil is softish. Oh, the fish. There's no tadpoles, guys. Ooh. So it's fish, seashells, like I don't know how to call them, guys, but these are fish. These are not tadpoles, guys. Hello. Wow, guys. See the other creek, if it still has the fish, because here I think they're getting bigger from what I've seen last time. Let's see, guys. Stay tuned. So we're here at the front block, guys, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. So like it looks like summer already in this side of the farm. Oh my god, I'm scared of coconuts. So it's almost dry, guys, like just 2 days without rain. There's a fish are still there. See them moving? Yes, that's them. So like at the moment there's still water. There's still water, but if this heat continues like a week, maybe a week more, it's gonna be totally dry. And I don't know how this little fish will move to the other side, because if you can remember, the guy thrown this banana here, and it's blocking this creek. Right. This I'm gonna show to the lady that passes by our front yard. Woo! That wind, guys, that strong at the moment, but it's kind of normal here in the farm though. Just not all the time that it's like this strong. So I have to go back to my babies, guys, feed the runt. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Bye. So these are the shells that we got from the neighbor's quarry, guys. It's has plenty of algae now. And this one, like this one where the snake is, it's a big shell. Boing. That one, like this one, guys. See, my hand is like this. It's bigger than my hand. It's full of algae now. This, like, we make it as decorative shells in the garden. Like that. And there's one more there. So, like, really, guys, it's like fossils. So this may be, this area may be very, like in 100 years ago, it's part of the ocean or part of the sea. And like, you know, like I remember when I went to Jack's Ridge, I think in Davao City. It's in the hill, guys. It's like a view deck of Davao City. And there you can see part of the hill, and it says it's still part of the ocean. It's a view deck, guys. So imagine it's on the hill and it has seashells. And I will put a link below, if I can find a link below, for that Jack's Ridge pearly thing. Thanks for watching.